Here in this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi option is missing on your computer. So I'm clicking here, and in these settings, if you don't see this Wi-Fi option, also if you go to your computer settings, if you go to network and internet, in here if you don't see this Wi-Fi option, I'll show you how you can easily get back Wi-Fi options on your PC. So first of all, you have to click on a computer search option. In here, search for control panel. Now open control panel app. Click on view by and select your large icons. And here click on internet options. In here, select this advanced tab and click on restore advanced settings. Once you've done that, click on apply and click on OK. Now go to your computer settings. Click on network and internet. In here, click on advanced network settings. In here, click on network reset and click on reset now and click on yes. This will completely reset your computer network, including your Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, you need to restart your PC. So go ahead and give a simple restart to your PC. After restarting your PC, click here and check the Wi-Fi option is showing or not, or you can go to your computer settings. In settings, go to network and internet, and here check Wi-Fi option is showing or not. And the next solution is open the services app. In services app, you have to scroll down and find out this LAN auto config. So select this LAN auto config here. Now double click on this LAN auto config settings, and startup type must select here automatic and make sure service status is running. If you see disabled, you can start service status by clicking this start button. Then click on apply and click on OK. Now right click on LAN auto config and here click on restart, and this will restart your Wi-Fi settings. Then scroll down and find out this WWN auto config and do the same thing for these settings. So just select automatic and service status running, click on apply, click on OK, and right click on restart. Once you've done that, again open control panel. In here, click on network and sharing center and click on change adapter settings. And now in this list, you have to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Now right click on your Wi-Fi adapter here and click on disable. And now we have to re-enable it. So right click on your Wi-Fi again and click on enable. Once it's enabled, you can close this control panel. And this time you have to open here device manager. Once you are in your device manager, you have to open these network adapters. Under network adapters, you have to find out here your Wi-Fi adapter. So currently I'm using this Wi-Fi adapter, Ugreen Wi-Fi i6 wireless USB. Just right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and click on update driver. In here, select browse my computer for drivers. Here, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select here your Wi-Fi drivers and click on next. And this will update your Wi-Fi drivers just like this. Then click on close. Once you updated your Wi-Fi driver, now again click on your Wi-Fi driver name and open properties. Select power management. Here you have to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click on OK. After doing this, go ahead and check your Wi-Fi is now showing or not. If it's still not showing the Wi-Fi option, then open the Run app on your PC and type here msconfig and hit enter. In here, select the General tab. In here, startup selection, make sure to select normal startup, then go to services tab. First of all, click on disable all, then click on enable all. Then click on apply and click on OK. After doing this, restart your computer. And after restarting your PC, go ahead and check your Wi-Fi is showing or not. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.